The Ministry of Trade and Industry is so pleased to be here at the Agri Expo 2024, which has been bigger and better than we even expected. And of course, we must congratulate the Ministry of Agriculture, Lands and Fisheries on this exercise, which they've done for yet a second time. We are pleased that over the years we've been able to spawn a number of entrepreneurs, and the government's approach has always been an inclusive one, so that now our range of entrepreneurs will include a number of micro and small and medium-sized businesses, as well as the large businesses that we all know of, but also a lot of new products have come onto the market, in addition to which we've seen a lot of women in business, and we're very happy about this level of inclusivity, which we know will only augur well for ensuring that there's prosperity for all in Trinidad and Tobago.
We do pure natural herbal teas. Our teas, everything is grown locally. These herbs are healing. So not only you have a refreshing cup of tea, you have a healing cup of tea. So I'm grateful for the Ministry of Trade.
What we've noticed and what we want to see more and more of is more input of our own agricultural products into the production of products for export and for local consumption. That value added creates profitability and also saves foreign exchange and also puts new products on the market.
We are a civil engineering company. We specialize in the use of the vetiver grass, which you can see in front of you here, as a bioengineering tool for slope stabilization and erosion and sedimentation control. We were actually very fortunate to be beneficiaries of a grant funding facility through the Ministry of Trade and Industry, where they supported us in providing grant funding for the acquisition of manufacturing equipment, which we will be using to make products similar to the one that you see in front of you here, which is coconut matting, made from 100% locally grown coconut fibers, and which we will use to upcycle into these erosion control products to work in conjunction with our vetiver system technology. The coconut matting product, we hope to do regional and possibly even international sales, thereby providing a real export potential and hoping to actually generate some forex for Trinidad through, again, the benefit of the grant facility through the Ministry of Trade and Industry.
We're on a good trajectory. What we want to ensure is that we continue to work closely with those entrepreneurs who have potential, particularly for exports. Trinidad and Tobago is the pride of the manufacturing in the Caribbean. And we want to ensure that our numbers continue to grow, and not only that our export output grows, but we also want to create a number of new exporters.
We are a local manufacturer of all printing and packaging needs for other local manufacturers here in Trinidad and Tobago, and we serve as a supply or a linkage to local manufacturers. So instead of the importing packaging materials, it is all made here locally, and we can help offset and supply them with their packaging needs. We would like to personally thank the Ministry of Trade for all its assistance that it has rendered to Premier Labour Company Limited. They have shown unwavering support through the Honourable Minister Paula Gopi School, as well as the Permanent Secretary Randall Karim. They have always showcased all of the opportunities, the incentives that are offered here for local manufacturers, and we are extremely grateful for this.
When you speak of the farm to table, which is the focus this year, it involves several stages. And here we are New Wave Manufacturing. And for instance, they are producers of PVC pipes, which are needed as well in the agricultural process. We have assisted many of these businesses, especially the small and medium-sized ones, with grants through the Ministry of Trade and Industry for the purchase of machinery and equipment, and also for certification. So we're very pleased with the output today and the range of exhibitors as well.